Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? So I'm here to do another reaction video to the group RBD, and I believe this is Ayun Hey Algo full HD, and I think this is a performance for their song from the show, because they dressed up like the show characters. So Alfonso. Chris. That hair color is bright. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, mate. What is this, Ann and Chris? Oh, they must have done like a lip sync to the song while they were filming the show. Ooh, that was close. Come on, Dulce. Alfonso said, I am standing character. So obviously this was from the show. This was the basically a video clip version from the filming Rebelde, and they sing their song. So someone sent it to me. It was so cute, so nice to see them, so young, so fresh, so good looking. So that was a very good video. I was always happy to see Chris and Alfonso. As always, what do you guys want me to react to? Feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can the UV set to? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.